Hello students, welcome again. Today in this session I am going to start a new lesson, that is algebraic expression. So far in last video I covered up to exercise 13.1 and 13.2. That much is enough for to understand the power and exponents lesson, and I will skip 13.3. So next I am going to chapter number 12, that is algebraic expression. Chapter 12. Chapter number 12, algebraic expressions. So here also in this lesson I am going to solve very important questions, and I am going to cover important topics only. So in last sum you learnt about a simple equation. What do you mean by simple equation? If LHS, RHS, and in between LHS, RHS, if equality sign is between them, then it is known as simple equation, and the order should not be more than 1. Okay. So already you are well aware with how to solve the simple equation. Okay, the meaning of a simple equation. So once again all those concepts are repeated here with a new view. Okay. So in algebraic expression, it is not about equation. Remember, about equation you learned in previous sum. This time you are learning about the expression. So before going to the algebraic expression, one by one I want to clear. I want to make two columns. Let's say make here one column. First we will understand. To understand the meaning of algebraic expression, we must know the meaning of factors. Okay. First, factors. What do you mean by factors? You know the meaning of factors. What are the factors of 4? The 4 is available in 1 table, 2 and 4 table. Therefore 1, 2 and 4 will be the factors of 4. So in whichever table a particular number appears, and all those tables will become the factors of that particular number. Or a number which can divide a given number will be known as a factor of the given number. The factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Likewise, the factors is quite different here. Here I will make two columns. One is a numerical. Another one is a literal or letter. So in numerical, factors are covered from, you can say, positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. It also includes negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4 up to infinity. It also includes fractions 1/2, 3/4, 5/6, 6/8. It also includes decimals also 0.3, 0.2, 1.5 likewise. In literal there exists positive letters and negative letters. Positive letter means A, B, small letters only. Only small letters are used in algebra. A, B, C, D, E, F up to Z. Okay. Negative means -A, -B, -C, -B up to -Z. Okay. When two factors are multiplied, there is a formation of a term. When two factors, two or more than two, whenever two or more than two factors are multiplied, two or more than two factors multiply then forms terms. What do you mean by terms? Whenever two or more than two factors multiply with each other, then terms are formed. Okay, what I will do, I will multiply. Let's say here I have a numbers. Let's denote by one L. Here I have a letters L. Here I will try to make the terms by multiplying the numbers with the letters, or numbers with the numbers, or letters with the letters. First I will try to write numbers, only numbers. Say 1. 1 can be expressed. 1 is also a term because 1 can be expressed as a 1 into 1. Right? Let's say -3. -3 can be also be called as a term. It is a factor also, and it is a term also. Because -3 can be expressed as a multiplication of two terms. -3 into 1. -3 can be expressed as -3 into 1. -3 is also term, factor, and 1 is also factor. So whenever you multiply two factors, there is a formation of terms. When two or more than two factors multiply, it gives you terms. So 1 is also a factor and it is also a term, because 1 can be expressed as a 1 into 1. -3 can be expressed as -3 into 1. So every number, it may be a single number or a single digit, it is nothing but a term only. You can take any number, 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is also a term only, because I can write 5 by 6 as a 5 by 6 into 1. Okay, like this. Next, take letters. Only letter, just take. Can we call a single letter as a term? Yes, it is a possible. We can call. Let's say x. X can be expressed as x into 1. X into 1 give you x, no, therefore x is also a term, because x is a multiplication of two factors. X is a one factor, 1 is another factor. So whenever two or more than two factors multiply, it gives you terms. Say -y, minus y into -1. Okay, then we can take p. P can be expressed as 1 into p. So every letter and every number is a term in itself. Next you multiply one number and one letter. One number, one letter. 3 into a is equal to 3a. It's a term. Take any numbers. I will take -4 into, say, y, equal to -4y. -4y is a term. So I want to say that whenever you multiply two factors, it will give you terms. 5 by 6 into m will give you 5m by 6, which is also term only. Okay. Now you try one number into two letters. One number into two letters. Try. You can take any number. I will take -7 into one letter. Let's say E into -f. Minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. 7 into E into F will give you 7 EF. Minus 7 EF is a term. And what are the factors here? My 7 E and F are the factors. -7 E and -F are the factors, and will give you the term plus 7 EF. Okay, likewise you can try many numbers. 5 into a into -b will give you plus one number and three letters, or two numbers, three letters. Let's say two numbers and three letters. Two numbers. Take -2 into 5 into a into -b into x. So minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10. A b, it will give a b x plus 10 a b x. It is also a term. So these are whenever these are the factors, whenever you multiply two factors, you will get terms. Okay. Oh. Next, whenever you add one, two or more than two terms, whenever you add two or more than two terms, you will get an expression. Now we are at our main point, that is expression. What do you mean by expression? Expression is formed when you add, not multiply. When you add two or more than two terms, not factors. This time you have to add two or more than two terms, you will get an expression. Let us take the example. Here many expressions are there. So here many terms are there. I will add 3a minus 4y. Okay. I will add first I will take may I call this now I want expressions. Expressions are formed when you add are formed when you add or subtract two or more than two terms. Okay, when you add or subtract two or more than two terms, you will get an expression. There are many terms are here. I will try to add. Let's say 1 is also a term and x is also a term. So 1 plus x will become, it's an expression. It is an expression. Can I call just -3 as an expression? -3 is a factor, -3 is a term. But can I call -3 as an expression? Yes, you can. You can call -3 just a number as an expression, because I can write -3 as a -3 plus 0. I can write -3 as a -3 plus 0. So I can express this -3 in the form of addition of two terms. Therefore, it is also an expression. I can just say -y is also an expression, because -y can be written as -y plus 0. So if we add two terms, you will get expression. Two or more than two. Now I will add -4y plus 5m plus 6. -4y plus 5m plus 6. Okay. If you add two terms, you will get expression. If you add three terms, then also you will get expression. Try to add 3. P minus, this time we subtract P minus 3a. Now I will add plus 10abx. How many terms are there? Total 3 terms are there. P is a one term, 3a is another term, 10abx is another term. Okay. And in between these three, either minus is there or plus is there. There is no place for into and division. Remember, into and division is only present in between a term. It is between a factors only. In 10 ABC, how many factors are there? In 10 ABC, 10 is a one factor, A is a second factor, B is a third factor, and X is a fourth factor. This is a term. In this term, total 4 factors are there. And among these 4 factors, into is there. 10 into A into B into X. There is no place for plus or minus. But in between two terms, addition or subtraction. If multiplication comes, it will become a single term. Okay, it is not considered to be different terms. Remember this. Suppose if I write 4y into 3a, it will become 4 into 3 12, a into y ay. It will become a single term or a single expression. Okay, there should be plus. If suppose it is a plus, I cannot add them. It remains as it is. Understood? Now we have a separate different names for different type of expression. If only one term is there, such expression is known as a monomial. Monomial. If two terms are there, these two are monomials. Minus 3 and minus y are the example for monomial. If two terms are there, then it is known as a binomial. Bi means two. Bi means two, binomial. If three terms are there, like p minus 3a plus 10 abc, total 3 terms are there, no? Then it is known as a trinomial. And if expression contains more than 3, then it is known as a polynomial. Poly means many. Poly means many. This is a binomial because 2 terms are there. Okay. So likewise, we can classify the given algebraic expression. Next, if two expressions have equality sign between them, then it will become equation. Remember, when you are going to say given a relation as an equation, the two algebraic expression must have an equality sign between them. Suppose instead of plus, if it is a equality sign, then it will become equation. It will be no longer algebraic expression. 4y is one algebraic expression, 3a is another algebraic expression, and in between these two equality signs, it is known as a equation. But if it is a plus here, it is an algebraic expression. That is, in algebraic expression, it is a binomial because it contains 2 terms. So now I will write few algebraic expression. You must be capable to identify how many terms are there. In each term, how many factors are there. Okay, try to find out. And here I am not going to solve all problems of the exercise. Number of questions which I am going to solve on the board, that will be for the examination. Okay, try to find 15x. Take it as a problem only. First problem. Identify the terms. First name. Identify the terms and factors in the following algebraic expression. You can write this exercise in your classwork. Let us take a minus 4x plus 5. First question. First will be how many terms are there here. Okay. You can draw it like a tree diagram also. You can use a tree diagram. Minus 4x plus 5. Total 2 terms are there. It is a binomial. If 2 terms are there in a given expression, it is known as a binomial. Okay. So total 2 terms are there. One term is a minus 4x, another one is a plus 5. Okay, minus 4x, it is having a 2 factors. What are those? Minus 4. Always keep sign with a number only. Minus 4 is a 1 factor, x is another factor, and plus 5. Plus 5 remains as it is. So it is an example of a binomial. Next one. 1 plus x squared. How many terms are there? It is an algebraic expression. Total 3 terms. 1, 2 and 3. 1 plus x squared, and 1 don't have any factor, x is also not having any factor, x squared is made out of 2 factors, that is x into x, therefore x and x, right? Third one, 5x square, 5xy square plus 7x square y. How many terms are there? 5xy square is a 1 term plus 7x square y is a second term. Total 2 terms are there, therefore it is known as a binomial. Now you have to write the terms and factors separately. So I will write first term is a 5xy square. Second one is a plus 7x square y. And this term have a how many factors? 1, 2, 3. It has a 3 factors. 5 is a 1 factor, x is another factor, y square is another. And this 7x square y has how many factors? Plus 7 x square and y are the factors. These 2 are terms and these are the factors. Okay, likewise you have to try. I will take a few more examples. Okay. Which type of algebraic expression it is? It is a trinomial. 1 term, second one, third one. So separate the terms. (1.2 minus 2.4 b 3.6 a, and this term contains 3 factors: 1.2, A and B. This contains two factors, minus 2.4 and B. This contains 3.6 and A. I hope you understood how to find the terms and factors in a given algebraic expression. Okay. So you can take two problems as a homework. X. Fifth one and sixth. Fifth one, homework. 5xy square, let's say xy plus 2x square y square. Sixth one minus 4x plus. Take these two problems as homework. Find the terms and the factors in the given algebraic expression. Okay, I will see you again with a new concept from the same algebraic expression. As I already told, I will not solve the problems as per the exercise. I will only choose few problems and I am going to solve those problems on the board. You should maintain this much in your classwork. That much is enough. This much is enough for the examination. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.